I don't advocate eating while driving. A lot of people have said this Twinstick's way more work. I don't think so. I think it's less work. Hi, Jared with Classic Touches. One of the unforeseen advantages that I found with this, I noticed it when I took this out to sell it to a customer, and I had to run my shift knob again after I'd had this in for a while. I noticed that one of the things you can do with this that I was not able to do with my shift knob was to eat a donut while I'm driving, because with the 18-speed regular shift knob, you've got to use your thumb and fingers to shift the thing. With this, you just use it with kind of the palm of your hand. So you get going up the road, you get to the bottom of the hill, you got to shift some gears. It's always nice to be able to just keep driving. You don't have to put the food down. I don't advocate eating while driving. My dad told me it's okay to eat while you're driving. It is not okay to drive while you're eating. So climbing the hill, gotta grab a gear. You can keep eating your donut even when you have to shift. Not necessary to find somewhere to put it down. Grab a gear, climbing the hill, because you gotta use your thumb switch. A lot of people have said this Twinstick's way more work. I don't think so. I think it's less work. With the Twinstick kit, way easier to eat while you're driving, I think. Anyway, so that's the Classic Touches Twinstick kit. Go to classictouches.net and check it out. Also follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. Classic Touches Twin Stick Kit available at classictouches.net. Thanks for watching.